These input tags are shown here and here to show you the HTML for this. This is what it looks like. So quantity 1 and quantity 2. The value here means that when PHP gets the array, quantity 1 is equal to 2 and quantity 2 is equal to 3, which you can see reflected, well, we've actually changed it. Because what happens is the value of each attribute, so you see the value here is listed at 2 and 3. When you change it here at 3 and 5, it actually gets changed to 3 and 5. The value does, so that gets passed to the script. This is the same thing if we were to do 45 and 120. Okay, same thing. So now that we know that we can pass that to our script, we now need to update our shopping cart array in the session. So if we get this, then what we're going to do is for each one of these, we're going to update the corresponding thing in the shopping cart. So if you look at the shopping cart where we add the products to it, we add the products to it by their product ID. So we can update them using the same means, the same way. Since we know this is the product ID, right? 1 is for the sneakers, 2 is for the silk shirt. Let's go ahead and say session shopping cart product ID, which we're getting it from here out of this. And then to explain how this works because we have the product array in the place where we set the HTML form. We set the product array as our array key for the quantity array. So when our script loops through the quantity array above, it'll loop through and the key will be each product ID. Up here. So shopping cart ID, we're going to set the quantity of this to the quantity that we have received from the update array. Okay, so let's try updating this to 4. So this is 4, this is 3, and you'll see now that this is no longer 2. This is updated to 4. And if we refresh this page, the same thing. Now we can update this to 67, this to 128. Same thing, it updates. So we can now update the values in here. Okay. So now we can view the product. We can view all of the products by going to here. We can view a specific product and add it to our cart. Right. This is interesting though. When we add it to the cart, it doesn't say that it's been added to the cart, so the user might not realize anything's happened. Let's go ahead and add a message when they add it to the cart, just to let them know that was successful.